What to do when the Apple Watch ID is locked? What are the options? The Apple Watch ID has been forgotten. There's no way to crack it. Replacing the motherboard is the only solution. Replacing the motherboard sounds easy, but it's actually quite complex. Most parts need to be removed to disconnect the screen
motherboard is
cable
at the
and
bottom,
separate
so
the
the
screen.
vibration
motor also needs to be removed. The motherboard is at the bottom. The vibration motor needs to be removed as well. Next step. Remove the screws securing the motherboard. Use a pry tool to cut the waterproof adhesive and remove the back cover. Finally, separate the back cover from the motherboard. The motherboard has been successfully removed. Take out the new motherboard and start assembling. Connect the back cover. Reinstall the casing. Tighten the screws inside. Secure the motherboard. OK. Reinstall the vibration motor. Reinstall the battery as well. Connect the screen cable. Let's try powering it on. No problems. Finally, restore the airtight seal. Repair complete.